For most of history, fire was life, but making it, a battle against wind, rain, and time. Then, one spark changed everything. Before convenience, fire meant patience, striking flint, grinding wood, sometimes for hours, fail, and the night won. Picture a freezing village. Families huddle while one person desperately coaxes embers to life. Fire wasn't just heat, it was survival. In 1805, an English chemist toyed with phosphorus. Strange, glowing, dangerous. He didn't know he was about to ignite history. A coated splint scraped against rough wood, and in an instant, flame, controlled, immediate, magic at your fingertips. But it was deadly. White phosphorus burned flesh, poisoned lungs, and killed slowly, yet factories couldn't resist the profit. Workers rotted from within. Phossy jaw, a gruesome curse for those making the world's new miracle fire. Protests erupted. Workers demanded a safer way. They weren't just fighting for matches, they were fighting to live. In the 1840s, Sweden delivered the answer: red phosphorus. Safer, stable, igniting only on a special surface. The safety match was born. From London to Lima, matchboxes spread like wildfire, a promise of light and heat, anywhere, anytime. In the trenches, a match meant warmth or survival. A single flame could comfort or give away your position. In the Arctic, explorers struck matches to keep death at bay. A fragile flame became the most valuable thing on Earth. They became art, tiny boxes with bold designs, political slogans, even secret messages. The match turned fire from a struggle into a choice, a tiny flame that lit up the world. If this sparked your curiosity, subscribe for more untold histories.